exposing the secrets of feline entrepreneurship. This is gonna blow your mind. Meet Whiskers, the chubby cat with a dream of selling the cutest mugs on the internet. But there's a slight problem. Whiskers has zero photography skills. Look at him fumbling with the camera. Every shot is out of focus, and those mugs keep falling over. Next, Whiskers dives into the world of orders. Spoiler alert, it's a mess. Order slips everywhere, packaging materials flying, and our furry friend looking more confused than a cat in a dog park. Just when things couldn't get crazier, Whiskers knocks over a stack of mugs. Uh-oh! The look on his face says it all. Pure panic. But wait, there's hope. Enter Selldone. With just a few clicks, Whiskers transforms chaos into calm. Now, he's a pro, with an organized workspace and perfectly posed mugs. Look at that smile. So, if a chubby cat can turn things around, so can you. Ready to bring order to your small business? Check out Selldone and perfect your process today. From chaos to calm, one click at a time.